Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for supporting my channel, for giving me beautiful comments, for sharing your experiences. I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your general love reading for January 2021. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius all over the world. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. Okay. Four of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? While shuffling also I was seeing Six of Swords a lot. Okay. Six of Swords, Emperor. Actually, Emperor came first. Then any other message? Nine of Swords. Wait. Yeah. So what are the messages? Ace of Wands. Queen of Cups. Any other message? Ten of Wands. Two of Pentacle. Four of Cup. Any other message? Tower and the World here. Hierophant. Let me see all the energies first. Magician. Any other message? Five of Cups. Temperance. Any other message? Seven of Pentacle. Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords both has come in your reading. That's why there is a World card, a completion card for you. And the Chariot. Okay. Any other message? Three of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and Ten of Cups. Okay. So Aquarius, you are holding back from someone. Someone you are holding back. Before you working so hard on a relationship, you are putting lots of efforts, lot of time, energy, everything in that relationship, but now you are holding back from someone. Okay, but you are coming towards the calmer waters here. This is Six of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters. You're rising as an emperor here. Okay, you're rising as an emperor here. You're coming towards the calmer waters. You're taking the control of your life. You are taking the charge of your life, basically. That's the message I'm getting. But some of you Aquarius are unable to sleep at night. Nine of Swords is here. You are unable to sleep at night, or you are still spending sleepless nights. Someone is trying to give you Ace of Wands, the passion in, they are igniting your passion. They are giving you this passionate new beginnings. Can you see this Queen of Cups is someone who is very intuitive and full of emotions. Okay, emotionally stable person is here. They're trying to give you, very beautiful, they are trying to give you, can you see this person is holding a cup in the hand and the wand in the hand. They're offering you the emotions, the passion, they're igniting the passion, they're igniting the they're giving the emotions basically to you. But this person is carrying lots of burden on their shoulder. Okay, Ten of Wands, but this is a completion here. There is a completion here. And Two of Pentacles. Either you are juggling a lot between two situations or two decisions, because here can you see someone was offering you a cup. This Queen of Cup was offering you a cup here, but you were juggling a lot. You were unable to make a decision. Can you see, this is you are not ready to accept that cup. You are trying so hard to bring a balance in your life, in your situation, to make a decision, but you are not ready to accept a cup from someone who was trying to give you some passionate new beginning, some emotions. And that's why the tower is happening here and the World card is here. You're closing out a cycle. The completion of a cycle is here. Completing some kind of karmic cycle in your life, ending of a cycle, and the tower is here. Unexpected changes are coming towards you, Aquarius. Something is shaking up your life. Divine intervention is happening in your situation. And these changes are happening so that you can make the necessary changes which are necessary for you. Okay. They're making these changes so that you can make the necessary changes which are required. Then there is Hierophant and the Magician and the Five of Cups. Temperance here. You're more focusing on those things. You're manifesting something, Aquarius, but you are manifesting with this energy of sad, remorse, guilt. You are more focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. Okay, you are not looking that there are two cups which are waiting at your back, they're waiting for you basically, and you're manifesting it something. You're manifesting something with this energy. This is not a good energy to manifest something. Okay, and what are you manifesting? You are manifesting stability, commitment, marriage in your life. Commitment, Hierophant is here, but with this energy attached with this Five of Cup, you are manifesting it. need to keep your patience, because here can you see there is temperance and there is seven of pentacles. You're looking very worried towards your life, towards your relationships. You're like, I'm keeping my patience and I have already done my planting and seeds and all, because here can you see there is seven of pentacles and I'm having here eight of pentacles too. So you are thinking and contemplating that I have already done my part, I have worked so hard on this relationship, I'm keeping my temperance, but whether it's going to happen or not. But here it is, you're completing a cycle, that's why. Ten of Swords is here. There is a completion of 10. You are moving towards in a forward direction, Aquarius, because you want to move in a forward direction. The Chariot, the Three of Wands, the Three of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. You want happy ever after, happily ever after in your life. You want happy family, happy life. Okay, you want to move in a forward direction. You are waiting your ships to come, and you know the difference between what is right and what is wrong for you. Let me see. And in the extended, I am going to clarify these cards. You're not ready to accept a cup from someone who is offering you some emotions, passion. They're offering you, but you are not accepting it. Why you are not accepting it? Because you're carrying lots of burden on your shoulders, because you are more focusing on those things which has been fallen out. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Okay. Cleansing water. Purification activates vibrant life force. You can cleanse, take a bath, Aquarius, shower. You can take a shower basically, so that you can cleanse your body, cleanse your negative energy if you are having right now. Purification activates vibrant life force. That's the message here. Then there is taking shelter. The answers are within. This is the Hermit energy. You are having all the answers from within yourself, within your soul. Okay, so you're having all the answers which you are looking in you're looking some kind of answers. Okay, because here it is the fellow travelers. Okay, support is all around you. You just need to take any support if you want. Okay, take the help if you require, and you are looking for some kind of answers. Basically, you have question and you can have a look around yourself. You can take a support from someone around you. What are your questions? You want answers basically. Then there is embarrassing enthusiasm. Shout to the heaven with the happiness. Beautiful. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards in the more deeper level, and I'm going to see what are these messages. Let's add some oracle to the reading. What are the messages? What are the messages? Emperor and the Empress both has here, and bottom of the deck I'm having the Lovers. You're dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. Okay, you're coming towards the calmer waters. Okay, then there is Hermit, the Fool and the Empress. See, that's why I told you the Hermit energy has come here. You're doing your soul searching. You're doing your you have to do, if you have not done yet, you can do it, Aquarius. Do your soul searching. Ask yourself, ask your inner soul that what your souls want, and you're taking a leap of faith here. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction with this Empress here. Okay, let me see more if I can get any other message for you. Any other message? See the World and the Sun, bottom of the deck. I'm having the Star here. World card has come again. You're completing a cycle, closing out a cycle of a karmic cycle is closing out. The world card is here again. Okay, you completing a cycle basically, and there is a sun. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. 1 minute. Okay, now it's fine. So this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New beginnings are going to start. New happy beginnings are going to start in your life, Aquarius. But why are you not accepting a cup from someone who is offering you a cup? Let's see what are the messages from the activation oracle for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Bottom of the deck, I'm having heart chakra. You need to do your healing on your heart chakra, and some of you Aquarius, your heart chakra is getting open up basically. Okay, you need to open your heart chakra. There is a healing which is required here, because I am also getting here, can you see, third eye chakra, emergence, empowerment and healing. There are 4 cards here I'm getting for you. Healing is here. So some of you Aquarius are needing and requiring healing basically. Okay, heal yourself. If you have not healed yet, do your inner work on yourself. Okay, the frequency of healing supports our ability to restore our health and wholeness by continuously using the information that comes to us through our senses and harmonizing everything accordingly. Okay, you will receive your 10 of cups, because here it is, I can see your 10 of cups, happily ever after, because you're waiting for that, but you need to get out of this energy of 5 of cups. Okay, don't manifest with this energy of 5 of cups. Can you see here? You are manifesting beautiful things. 1717 was the recording reading time. That's the message I'm getting for you. You are manifesting beautiful things, Aquarius, but manifest with the beautiful energy. Okay, don't manifest things with this energy of 5 of cups. Then there is empowerment. The frequency of empowerment supports our ability to show up fully and completely, uniting us with others in the deep trust that we are all connected through the same source. Beautiful message. You're getting your empowerment. That's why there is an emperor and the empress. Okay. Then there is emergence. The frequency of emergence invites us to approach our reality with a childlike attitude of innocence and wonderment, and to watch and celebrate the beauty that unfolds from that place. Okay, take a leap of faith, take a risk and be adventurous, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction, because you are moving in a forward direction here with the Chariot. And there is third eye chakra. The frequency of third eye chakra, the indigo flower of life, supports our intuition and our inner knowledge and our imagination and our psychic powers. Some of you Aquarius are need to work on your third eye chakra basically. Some of you Aquarius are need to work on their third eye chakra, and for some of Aquarius your third eye chakra is getting activated basically. Okay, your third eye chakra is getting activated, so now you are more intuitive than before. Okay, you are more beautiful. That's why you are more intuitive than before. See, expansion. You're more intuitive than before. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having completion here. Again, the world card is here again. So yes, your third eye chakra is getting more open up. You're getting more intuitive than before, and you're getting all the messages from the universe which are important for you. Okay. Any other message for my Aquarius? Don't be in this victim mentality. Bottom of the deck, I'm having victim mentality here. Complacency Gratitude and forgiveness. You need to forgive someone. If you are thinking that I need to forgive all the past hurts, forgive everyone, even forgive yourself, Aquarius. So forgiveness is very much needed in your life. So forgive others and forgive yourself also. And there is a gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, say thank you universe, thank you divine, for giving me all the beautiful things which I am having right now, because some of the other persons cannot have what you are having right now in your life, Aquarius. You are blessed. So say thank you for each thing which you are having right now, today's in your today's life. So have an attitude of gratitude, and please forgive someone if you need to forgive. That's the message I am getting for you. Then there is expansion. Your life is changing as you move away from the old way of relating to others. New people are entering your life. Relationship may no longer work. New people are entering, Aquarius. You need to reach out those who are in the same vibration frequency of personal upliftment. Call upon higher compassions to advise you at this time. And there is a vanity here. This is the aqua people, okay? That the balance between what is true in our heart and what is we communicate is reflected in aqua. Can you see? Are you living and communicating your truth, or just playing along? This may be a time of awakening to a new way of being aware of distractions that may pull you away from your true you. Okay, so there you need to think about yourself, basically. As your life is changing, Aquarius, this is the golden age of Aquarius. You're getting expansion, you're getting your growth. So you need to see that whether you are getting your, this is the thing, that you are now having more wisdom than before. Okay, you are having more wisdom than before, but there are new belief systems, not the old belief system. Then there is complacency. Life force change energy must be taken seriously. Are you standing tall in your own dreams and trying to build on someone else? Sadness in and in inability to disassociate from a lost dream can show up here. It's a time to walk away from anything that does not deeply resonate with you. Release and please be free. That's the energy of here, the Five of Cups here. You need to release if you are holding back so tightly on someone who does not serve your highest good. Okay, release all past hurts. That's why I told you forgiveness. That's the message for you today, is that you need to forgive, you need to let go of old things, old persons, basically, who don't serve your highest good. You need to let go of them. Let's see what are the messages from this yogic path. And I love this deck. I love this deck. I did not use much in my reading, but from the last reading I am using it. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please give me the messages. What are the messages? There are too many. Okay, what are the messages? Pratyahara, okay. And it just want to fall out, but I'm not going to take it. Then again, this is coming for you. This is just something, because your Kundali awakening is happening, Aquarius. I'm saying you again. Okay, so you need to more focus on yourself as you're getting more aware than before. Okay, you need to be more focused on yourself, because the old things will not work out in your life. Things are changing for you, and you need to change according to the things. Recently you have let go of some distractions in your life, and everything has upgraded since. You have realized that holding on to things, food, stimulants pupil only keeps you anchored to the physical world. Truth lies in letting go of all that is not you. The daily coffee, the piece of chocolate, social media addiction, or need to buy, those were such a part of your identity but now have diminished. This is a time to go deeper into your pratyahara and let go of any attachments, even those that are less obvious. Continue to meditate, which draws you immediately into pratyahara and illuminates what is you are holding on to. It's the only from here that you can listen the truth within and act accordingly. Beautiful message. See, that's the message I'm getting from all the decks, and here I'm having Kundli awakening here. The Kundli is getting activated in you because you are more focusing on yourself. If you have not let go of the past things, you have to let go the old belief system, the old people who do not serve your highest good. That's the message I'm getting. Okay, you have to work on yourself. Let go of things which don't serve you. Don't be in this energy of 5 of cups. Don't focus on this energy of 5 of cups. There are beautiful things which are coming for you, Aquarius. There is 10 of cups. There is a sun which is coming for you. So you need to be more focused. And while shuffling also, this deck also is having the 10 of cups bottom of the deck. So yes, you need to let go of those which don't serve your highest good. Let go of any attachments, anything which you think that you need to let go. Let go of the past hurts. You need to let go those. Okay, so that was the reading for you, lovely Aquarius. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level so that I can get you more information, more messages which I'm getting for you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, keep moving in a forward direction. Don't be in this energy of 5 of cups. Let go of all those who don't serve your highest good. Okay, release them, release any past hurts. That's the message I'm getting for you again and again. Okay, so take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of light, healing and love to all my Aquarius. Take care of yourself. Again, I'm saying that. See you soon, Aquarius.